Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for the freedom to work from the comfort of your own homes? Well, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we will explore 3 highest paid jobs that you can do right from your home. Number 1. Software development. Our first contender on the list is software development. With the digital revolution in full swing, software developers are in high demand. Whether you specialize in web development, mobile apps, or even artificial intelligence, companies are willing to pay top dollar for skilled programmers. And the best part is, many software developers can work remotely, collaborating with teams from around the world without ever leaving their home. Number 2. Digital marketing. Next up, we have the exciting world of digital marketing. As businesses shift their focus to the online world, they are seeking experts who can help them navigate the complex world of SEO, social media, and online advertising. If you have a passion for creativity, analytical thinking, and understanding consumer behavior, a career in digital marketing might be perfect for you. Plus, many marketing agencies and companies embrace remote work, offering the flexibility to strategize and execute campaigns right from your living room. Number 3. Online tutoring. Education knows no boundaries, and with the rise of online learning platforms, tutoring has taken a digital leap. If you have a passion for teaching and possess a strong knowledge in a particular subject, becoming an online tutor can be both rewarding and lucrative. Whether it's academic subjects, music lessons, or even language instruction, you can connect with students from around the globe and help them achieve their goals, all while earning a handsome income from your home. And there you have it, 3 top high-paying jobs you can do from home. Let us know in the comments if you are already working in one of these professions, or if you have any other suggestions for high-paying remote jobs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.